designing the user interface with the activity main XML file. Now comes to the creative part. We'll design the skin of our app. You can tell it as the user interface or UI. To make it alive visually, we'll write layout code and the code will generate the view of our app UI. Don't worry, it's simple and super fun once you understand it. We just open the activity main XML file. We'll use a linear layout as the main container. Inside it, we'll add an edit text where user can type name and button they can tap to take action. Now we're going to set the linear layout container. We'll set its orientation as vertical. At set context as com.enamnodes.enamnodes part1 main activity, because we'll connect this layout file with this main activity Java file. We'll set edit text width as match parent and height as wrap content. Margin as 10 dp and give its hint as enter name. In the same way, we'll set button width as match parent, height as wrap content. Also, we'll set margin as 10 dp. We'll set text as save and text all caps false. Secondly, set ID to edit text and button.